Next up, for the 3D lily pad pond stitch along, we are going to do the connected fly stitch right over here. And for this stitch, you will want 2 strands each of the lightest green and the medium green thread. So for this one, we're going to start at the top of our little greenery up here. And we're going to make a straight stitch down towards the center of that first V. Then we're going to bring our needle up in one corner of that V, hold our thread towards the bottom of that V, and then bring our needle back down in the other top corner of that V. And we're going to gently tug so we have a loop of thread on the front of our fabric. We're going to bring our needle up inside that loop right at the base of our straight stitch and gently tug so our loop becomes a V. Now we're going to make another straight stitch down to the next base of our V. Bring our needle up in the other corner of our V there. Hold our thread towards the center. Go back down in the other top point of our V. Come up at the bottom of our straight stitch inside our loop. Just gently tug till our V is flush with the fabric. Make another one in this row here. And to finish off our little branch greenery, we will make a longer straight stitch at the end. Then we'll just do the other fly stitch right there next to it.